Om Shri Mahaperiyava Charanam. One Shri Mahaperiyava was camping at Papanasam in Tirunelveli district. Hearing the news of his stay, countless devotees from nearby regions flocked to have darshan and receive his blessings. Near Mahaperiyava's camp, a visually impaired couple with a blind infant were begging for alms. At the same time, a very wealthy man from Chennai who had a habit of travelling wherever Mahaperiyava camped to seek his blessings also came to Papanasam for darshan. As he arrived, this poor blind couple approached him for alms. That was enough to ignite his anger. Infuriated, the rich man shouted harshly at the couple, abused them and even kicked them aside, pushing them away before entering the camp to see Mahaperiyava. Can anything be hidden from the all-knowing Lord? Mahaperiyava was inside the camp speaking with a group of devotees. He completely ignored the rich man. Only after finishing conversations with all the other devotees did the wealthy man approach Mahaperiyava with a plate full of flowers, fruits, turmeric, kumkum and offerings. He respectfully placed it before Mahaperiyava and said, "I have come all the way from Chennai only to have your darshan. Only you can bless me." Everyone waited eagerly to see what Mahaperiyava would say next. With a stern expression, Mahaperiyava asked the man, "What did you do to that poor blind couple who were begging outside?" That question shook the rich man completely. Suddenly realizing his grave mistake, he fell flat at Mahaperiyava's feet, weeping uncontrollably. With intense seriousness, Mahaperiyava said, "If you couldn't give them anything, you could have just said that and left. But instead you insulted them and even worse, you kicked them. There is no atonement for what you've done." The rich man was devastated. Crying, he pleaded, "Periyava, I've committed a terrible sin. Is there truly no way for me to atone?" Seeing his genuine remorse, Mahaperiyava's heart melted. He said, "Go right now to Papanasan's Papanaseshwara temple. Pray to the Lord there. Seek atonement for the sin you've committed." Immediately the man rushed to the temple and wept in front of the deity, praying with full repentance. That night in his dream, Mahaperiyava appeared in the form of Lord Papanaseshwara and said, "To atone for your sin, help that blind family in any way you can. That alone will be your true atonement." The next morning the man went back to the spot where the blind couple used to beg. Upon seeing them, he burst into tears, held the man's hand and said, "I have committed a terrible sin. As atonement, I will bear the complete cost of eye treatment for all three of you. It is by the grace of Lord Papanaseshwarar himself that I have received the chance to serve you." He then handed over a check of 20 lakhs. He brought the family to his Chennai home and hosted them for a month, paying for their entire eye treatment and restoring their vision. At present, with the blessings of Sri Mahaperiyava, the once destitute couple are living prosperously in Egypt with no shortage of wealth or well-being. The divine grace of Sri Mahaperiyava, who transformed a begging blind couple into a wealthy, healthy family, is beyond the power of words to describe. It stands as a living testimony to the miraculous compassion of a true saint. Hara Hara Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara Periyava Charanam.